So your final is on Thursday, so be prepared for that. You must get a pair and then you prepare it. If that makes sense. Be prepared. What's up?
Do you have like a schedule for Thursday?
Yeah, it's in the weekly email.
Oh, we have to read
Okay,
this.
so if you, and this goes for all of y'all, like if you don't have a final during that time, then you shouldn't be on campus. So like if you don't have a final, I mean, you're stuck here, so, because you take the van, so you're,
Wait, so what do you mean?
like if you don't have a final first thing Thursday, which none of you will, then you shouldn't be here. But you guys have help, so you do have a final, so you're fine.
Okay, so we're gonna be here all day.
I don't know, check the schedule. But like for like the kids who don't have chemistry, like they don't have to be here during that time. Like they should go home. Yeah.
So, what about me? I'm a staff kid. I'm always here in the morning.
Yeah, you're trapped.
Okay, so
You have no
I
chance
will
of
be here,
escaping.
dude.
Yeah, we'll just leave you outside in the cold. Okay, so PreCalc A and AB. This is your suffering. Are you ready? I'm going to give you 2 points. You are going to give me the perpendicular bisector. Mikhail, you will suffer more than everyone else will.
Why?
Because you have to do it both ways.
Wait, no.
You have to do the square root way and then the...
Oh wait, so okay, I
midpoint
know
way.
that formula. That's the
Okay.
way it'll work.
So, suppose I give you 2 points. Let's say 1, 2, and 5, 6. Okay? Here's what you must do to find the line that perfectly bisects those lines. Question?
We didn't click our Bible.
Then don't be here. Perfect. Did you just give me the look? You're like,
I was just,
sorry, I can't do it. I can't do that. Like,
that was a lot easier. Okay.
okay, cool. So, yeah, that's good. I think that works, right? Because it's your last final on Friday, so you can leave early on Thursday, so then you leave early. That works. Cool. All right. Back to the book learning. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. How do you find the distance, or how do you find the line in between 2 points? Well, use this awful equation. So really what you're doing is you're finding the distance equation between that point and the point on the line xy. And you're setting it equal to the distance equation from that point to the point xy. So this is going to be 1 minus x squared plus 2 minus y squared equals 5 minus x squared plus 6 minus y squared. Then you have to solve this. How do you solve this? First step, square both sides. And you get 1 minus x squared plus 2 minus y squared equals 5 minus x squared plus 6 minus y squared. And the suffering is real. So we square this. This is 1 minus 2x plus x squared plus 4 minus 4y plus y squared equals 25 minus 10x minus, or plus x squared plus 36 minus 12y plus y squared. Then you can subtract x squared from both sides and y squared from both sides. So those go away. And then you solve for the equation of the line. How do you solve for the equation of the line? You want y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to move all the y's to one side. So if I add 12y to both sides, I get 8y. And I move everything else to the other side. Because they're asking for the equation of a line. So you need to give them the equation of the line, which is y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to move the 2x over. That gets me minus 8x. I'm going to move the 1 over, the 4 over. So if I subtract 5 from both sides, I get 20 plus 36, which is 56. I'm going to divide by 8. Whoa. My random problem actually worked. That's cool.
That's the answer, Chris.
That's the answer. Because they're asking for the equation of the line. That's the equation of the line. So you are a happy camper. Okay, these are easy points. You plug into the formula, you suffer a little bit, but really, I mean, nothing here is too difficult. So you just have to identify that this is the question they're asking. Okay, questions? Yeah.
You can just leave it up there a minute because I'm trying to write it down.
Other questions?
Are you gonna give us problems like this, or are they gonna be harder on the midterm?
I mean, that's it.
That's it.
Yep. I mean, I could give you negative numbers.
Oh wait,
But
I
like,
also still have questions from the homework, but I'll ask you after you're done with the other people's lessons.
okay, the other people.
Can you actually do a negative because there's...
Yeah, you just plug in the negative number here. Yep. Okay, cool. Now, you guys are free. Have a nice life.
No, thanks.
You're not free. Your suffering continues. Over here. So, how do you do the midpoint method?
Hey, Mr. Bryant, do you need to check my homework?
Yes, let me stop everything.
Oh.
Everyone else can wait. Okay, how do you use the midpoint method? You have to find the midpoint, right? So the x midpoint is 1 plus 5 over 2, which is 3. Y midpoint is 2 plus 6 over 2, which is 4. Then you find the slope. So the slope between the points 1, 2, and 5, 6 is 6 minus 2 over 5 minus 1, which is 1. So now you find the perpendicular slope, which is -1. Finally, you plug all this into y equals mx plus b, and that gives you the equation in line. So I'm going to plug in my slope, -1, x is 3, y is 4, b equals 7, so your answer is y equals -x plus 7. Horrible? No. Faster than that? Debatable.
Yeah, I was just say I feel like that's actually not as bad.
It's not as bad.
It's easy to remember the formula because I
Yeah.
thought I knew the formula and then you started writing it out. I was like, oh, that's not what I started doing.
It's easy to get messed up here. So you're gonna have 2 questions on the final, or I think it's just 1 question. And then I ask you to either do both, or I ask you to do one or the other. So
Wait, so on the assignment I have to do both?
for each one, yes.
Why?
You got this.
Why?
So you can learn and practice and check your work.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool. That's it.
Also, you didn't put up an answer.